So sometimes you want to add geometry to a face that's already there. Maybe you want to add a line, maybe you want to add some vertices, or maybe you want to cut a hole out of that face. In those cases, the knife tool can be really helpful and really handy. So on my screen, I've got a plane and it's been selected. I'm gonna press Tab to go into edit mode. And once I'm in edit mode, I can press K for the knife tool. And what that's gonna do, you can see there's a little vertex here. And if I click it, I can start adding vertices and edges to this face. And come all the way around like so. And the knife tool doesn't stop until you press enter, and then you get the cut. You can also notice that Blender's added some extra edges to make sure that all the polygons are closed. Blender doesn't like the idea of polygons with a hole in the middle of it. In fact, we've made not just the one polygon that we cut out, but it's also split the larger face into two other faces like so. Once you've done that, you can grab that face, you could extrude it like so, you could scale it, or of course you could delete it and you actually get a hole in your mesh. Another really useful part of the knife tool is if we use the knife tool and press Control, it's going to snap to the middle of an edge. So for example, I can click there, here, here, there, and we can let go of the control and come back there and press enter. And now we've got this nice diamond shape here, which again, I can go to face select that and extrude it down, and we get some different shapes like that. So the knife tool is pretty useful for adding geometry to a face, maybe cutting it in half, or even punching a hole in an existing face.